some chips. I know it's not healthy, but still I'm gonna have it. So today is a birthday special video. I just turned 25 on 5th of May and I'm pretty excited about it. I don't know why, but I am. I feel that this year is going to be full of excitement and adventure. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. And if you're not, I'm sending you all the positive vibes and energy. So today's video is very special for me because I am going to be sharing with you guys 25 lessons which I have learned in the past 25 years. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Remember, you are unique, be yourself. Now I remember myself copying other girls back then in school because I wasn't one of those kids who was famous, who was having too many friends. In fact, I had no friends. You are having a unique identification code that nobody else in this entire world has. You are unique. Stop copying others. Be yourself. Next up, self-love. Now, I cannot even stress on what is the importance of self-love because trust me, if you don't love yourself, you won't be able to love anyone else in your life, not even your parents. हम लोग बहुत सुनते हैं self-love के बारे में, but how to love yourself? Just make yourself feel special. Just do something you love every day. Do something which gives you satisfaction. Take care of your body, take care of your mental health, and that is how you grow self-love. Next up is failure. It is so damn important to fail in your life. Until and unless you don't fail, you won't be able to understand the importance of success. You won't be able to understand the feeling of success. You won't understand how strong you are until and unless you don't fail. Also, you will understand so much about people around you. If you are just climbing that ladder of success, obviously everybody is only going to attract towards you because of your success. Only the people who are there for you when you are the people who are always going to be around you no matter what. Next up is confidence. Self-love and confidence are interconnected. Until and unless you don't love yourself, you won't have faith on yourself, and if you are not having faith in yourself, you won't be able to be confident. But then कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि even if you don't know anything but you just say something with confidence, people tend to believe it. Now I'm not saying that बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोल दो confidently. No, I'm just saying कि आप जो भी बोल रहे हो ना confidence के साथ बात करो. Put yourself in it. ऐसे सोचो कि people are watching you and trying to see. Next up is listen to everyone but follow your heart. अगर मैं लोगों की बातें सुनती और मेरे दिल की नहीं तो शायद ये YouTube चैनल कभी भी नहीं बनता. But I just had to give a try. Whether this works or not, at least I'll be satisfied that I gave it a chance and I tried. Do not take your parents for granted. दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाएगी, तुम्हारे parents तुम्हारा साथ कभी भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. They'll always be with you, no matter how much they scold you, no matter how much they scream on you. But they are the ones who are always going to care for you, who are always going to pray for you, who are always going to be around you and wish for your best. Spend some time with your parents and look how much stress you're going to be relieved of. Next up is everything happens for a goddamn reason. If you have just been through a breakup, it happened for a reason. If you got into a relationship, it happened for a reason. If you failed, it happened for a reason. If you did not get that job, it happened for a reason. Because you deserve better. Because universe is planning something more better for you. Your company matters. The people you surround yourself with matters. Please surround yourself with people who believe in universe, who are, giving you good vibes, who are embracing your energy. Especially surround yourself with people who have added to your knowledge, who are adding value to your existence. I have an amazing test for you to know whether the company you surround yourself with or the company you stay in is good or not. Think of 5 people you are around and analyze whether your energy is being soaked away or you are getting more energized. If you're getting positive vibe, if you think that your energy is getting enhanced and embraced, that is the company you're looking for. And if not, next up is let go. Now this is connected with the kind of people you stay with or the kind of people who make you feel bad about yourself. yourself, let go. Let go of that relationship, let go of that person, let go of that friend who is making you feel bad about yourself, who is making you feel unworthy of yourself. You deserve better. Don't forget to be grateful for everything you have. Please start doing this. Start writing 3 things you are grateful of every single day. मतलब रात को सोने से पहले ना अगर आप लिख नहीं सकते हो तो एटलीस्ट सोचो कि आप किस चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल हो. बिकॉज आई नो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना जब हम सो रहे होते हैं हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे रहता है कि अरे कल क्या काम करना है, अरे इज दिस थिंग गोइंग टू डू वेल फॉर मी. इंस्टेड ऑफ complaining, instead of putting so much pressure on yourself, just take a moment and be grateful. Next up is make sure you are sending right signals to the universe. Now, I don't know how many of you believe in law of attraction, but I immensely believe in law of attraction, and I can literally see how my life has changed. If you say that you're the best, the universe is going to, send that energy in you that you become best. You are attracting what you say. What signal you send to the universe is what you are going to attract. You need to say that you are happy with whatever you are having, and whatever you are having is always going to increase. Next up is save your money. When I used to stay in hostel, I used to spend money on things that I did not need. Since the time I have started working and I have started earning a little bit, I have known the importance of my money. Next up is be a smart investor, not just in terms of money but also in terms of energy. Invest your energy in things you know are going to work for you. Don't waste your energy spending time binge watching Netflix, binge watching reels on Instagram. If you're talking to a friend for 3 to 4 hours, you're investing your time in that person. If that conversation is not bringing out anything good, stop investing. Next up is do not compare yourself to any freaking person in this entire world. Everybody puts smiling photographs on Instagram, but you never know what is going on in that person's life, and you will be stunned by knowing some of the stories of Instagrammers and huge YouTube creators, what they are going through back in their life. Just stop comparing yourself, because again, you're wasting your energy. The only person you should compare yourself with is you. Do not blame others for you not doing something or you doing something. If I don't know how to cook, I'll say, अरे मम्मी ने मुझे कभी खाना बनाना सिखाया नहीं. No, it's not her fault. It's not her duty. It's your duty to go and learn how to cook. It's as simple as that. Next up is acceptance. Most of the relationships, most of the relations break due to unacceptance of their mistakes. And the moment you stop accepting yourself as you are, your growth is automatically going to stop. तो भी हो जैसे भी हो, accept कर लो खुद को कि भाई मैं ऐसी हूँ. Instead of defending yourself, acceptance के साथ साथ आता है forgiveness. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप accept कर लो and you start punishing yourself. No, if you made a mistake, accept it, forgive yourself and move on. Next up is take risks. This is so very important. I'm not just talking about in terms of money over here, but I'm also talking about life. Take that risk.
रिस्क है तो इश्क है. मार्केट में सबसे बड़ा जोखिम तो जोखिम ना लेने में.
जितना बड़ा रिस्क लोगे उतना बड़ा सक्सेस होगा. Most of the people don't succeed because they are not willing to take risks. You will either lose something or you will either gain something. But keep this thing in mind that if you lose, you'll still be satisfied, and if you gain, then you gain. Next up is digital detox. I know my limits of being on social media. I already know my limits of using my phone. Digital detox doesn't mean that you shouldn't be on social media or uninstall your social media apps and stuff like that. No. Social media has become such an important part of our lives. It has become a way of bread and butter for most of the people out there, which is a great part. You need to draw a line. Next up is express yourself. If you love someone, go and tell them that you love them. You'll be happy about it. Life is really short to hold grudges. Next up is hydrate yourself. It takes care of your skin, it takes care of your hair, it takes care of your body, it takes care of your mental health, it takes care of literally everything. So stay hydrated. Next up is eat good food. I keep on stressing on this point. जो भी nature से directly available है. For example, green vegetables, fruits. Try to include these things more and more in your meal. Next up is workout. I'm not a person who works out every day, but I do things which are good for my body. I do things which internally only include exercising. जैसे पोछा लगाना हो गया, झाड़ू लगाना हो गया. These are small things which make your body. Just 10 minutes is more than enough, and I do that. Next up is do not lose touch with your hobbies. After a particular age, you will be having your music with you. You know, that is the thing, because it gives so much peace to your mind and to your soul when you are always connected with your hobbies. Next up is do not give up. You will reach that goal someday. Keep up the hustle. Next up is कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Do not listen to what people are talking about you or anyone. People are so judgmental. I don't know how. I see people not caring about what other people will talk about them, and it gives me so much relief. It is so very nice seeing people not caring about anything else and doing what they love. क्योंकि आप कुछ भी कर लो ना, तो कुछ ना कुछ कहेंगे ही कहेंगे. That's it, guys. I hope all the lessons help you in some way or other, and I have spent such a hard time learning all these things, and I am really happy that I finally am in peace with all these lessons. And oh God, what a journey it has been. What a journey. Yeah, so I guess that is it for today. I am going to be catching up with you guys in my next video. Make sure that you comment and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, write me up anything you wish to tell me on my Insta ID or on my mail ID. Until we meet for the next time, do not forget that you have you and that is enough. Bye. Also, I just saw I have been speaking for 1 hour straight. I'm going to be keeping my chips. Sorry for that. I'm just so much hungry and I need to record this video. Who is next? Yeah, I think we should. Next